One of my favorite things in a kitchen is marble. I love marble for countertops and accents and a million different things. And I love this marble rolling pin, and it has the little tray that it goes in, which is also marble. Now this is solid marble. It really has a weight to it. And these don't move, so if you roll with it, you're just gonna roll across and your hands roll back. You know how that goes. So I love this idea for decorating. I love this idea if you do want to actually use it, it's marble. I think that'd be fine. And I know that a lot of people, if they're doing baking and rolling out delicate pies and kind of, you know, doughs and crusts and things like that, love to use something marble, but it's very elegant. I just love it as a decorative piece. I think it's beautiful to have anywhere in your kitchen. I love the gold on the handles. I just think it's one of those things that is going to be the prettiest accent, the prettiest finishing piece, just an unexpectedly beautiful way to finish an arrangement in your kitchen. Canisters and a beautiful tray and the beautiful rolling pin, and it looks like it came directly out of a pastry shop in France. It's one of the prettiest things I've seen, and I can't wait for you to get it.